A leading global manufacturing company was facing serious operational challenges due to an outdated ERP system. Their processes were siloed across finance, sales, inventory, and production, causing delays and frequent errors. Lack of real-time data and manual invoicing led to poor decision-making and delayed customer payments. To transform operations, the company partnered with Accrete to implement SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. Using SAP Activate methodology, processes were standardized, systems integrated, and data migrated seamlessly. The impact was immediate: automated processes, real-time analytics, and faster decision-making. Customer experience improved with accurate invoicing, while production and supply chain became more efficient. Financial reporting became faster and more accurate, enabling better control and profitability insights. With a scalable and standardized digital core, the organization is now ready to expand globally with confidence. Accrete didn't just implement a system, they enabled a transformation. Is your business ready for what's next?